my beautiful people, welcome back to another late night pouring episode. I'm kind of excited tonight. I've been wanting to play with something for a while, and finally tonight's the night, so I'm very, very excited. I'm going to show you that in a second. I wanted to take a moment and show you our dried results from the last pour. This was Rolling Waves. This was a wandering straight pour, and we used my golf ball along this top edge next to the negative space to create these beautiful wave patterns and create some movement and some flow. And I love the way it turned out. Beautiful and shimmery, gorgeous and sparkling, and dried beautifully, which I'm really, really happy about. The base coat color is perfect. These colors really pop, all those Pebeo Iridescents, and I'm very excited about this one, so I think it turned out great. So that was our Rolling Waves. And we are actually using these same colors tonight because I still have some paint left, and the project that we're going to do tonight isn't going to use all that much, so I'm excited. So what we are doing tonight, we're going to use these wood cutouts. This is a moon. This is it's either 16-inch or 20-inch moon shape, a crescent moon, and I have some stars here also. And we're going to paint on top of these, and I'm really excited. I think it's going to turn out really, really pretty. So I'm going to turn this way. I'm going to use my paint leveler stands from Tracie Reed. You can find them on her Etsy shop. I just love them. They're awesome. I use them all the time, as you guys can see. Okay.
Thanks to Chris, too.
Tracie and Chris are awesome. So I have painted these with my Prussian Blue. They have a few coats on them. The back of them is not paint, but there is actually a piece of paper on the back side of these. These are from 24 Hour Crafts, which is a really cool little company. They have a whole bunch of different shapes and different thicknesses and different sizes, and it's kind of awesome. And they're not that expensive, so go take a look and see what you find. So what we're going to do on this is a flip cup with more Prussian and some of these other Pebeo colors. These are actually the same colors that we used in that Rolling Wave pour. So let's get started. I'm just going to scoot this over for a minute so we can layer our cup. Okay, I'm going to be using these, maybe for the moon I'll use a bigger cup. But for the stars and stuff we're going to use smaller ones. But for right now we'll start with this so that you guys can see what I'm doing in there. I'm going to start with some Prussian. So kind of borrowing from that sandwich pour idea, but not entirely because I am still going to layer it. This is my Amsterdam Pearl Yellow. Sorry, Golden's Prussian. Actually, I'm rushing again because I'm excited.
Prussian Blue, not Russian Blue.
Yeah, you're very funny. Okay, so this is my Prussian Blue from Golden. Beautiful, creamy. Everything is mixed with my Golden's Heavy Gel Gloss and Floetrol Pouring Medium. Okay, so that's the Prussian. This is Amsterdam Pearl Yellow. I have Pebeo Studios Iridescent Green Blue. I'm not sure how much of this one I'm going to use because I don't necessarily want green in here. This is Pebeo's Iridescent Blue Green. And then this one was the combination of my 24 karat gold and some bronze. So those are the colors we're going to be using. And like I said, I'm not sure about this green one, but maybe. Okay, so let's go in with some of our pearl yellow now. And I'm going to put some of that bronzy gold in there also. And the Pebeo Iridescent Blue Green. And another shot of Prussian on top of that. I'm going to do one more layer of the colors as well. So same thing, pearl yellow. Some of the goldy bronze, some of that blue green, and one more layer of Prussian. So it's kind of a thick, sloppy sandwich. Okay, let's move that over and bring this back. And I do have some drips that are a Prussian blue that I used for a different pour that I will show you. Okay, so let's see, how do I want to do this? Do I think I need a base coat? Let's put a little bit of a base coat down. This is my base coat color, just kind of a darker Prussian blue. All right, I'm just going to put a little, like a line across there, just in case we need to help things move. And now, of course, I want to tilt it. because that's just how we roll, right?
Can't help yourself, honey.
I can't help myself. I am a tilter. I do like tilting more than almost any other way. If I've spun things out, that's fine. And I know some people love that, but personally, I am a tilter. Okay, we're gonna start with that and see how it goes. So we're just gonna flip this on here. I do want to make sure it's stable because I don't want it to fall or move. Okay, we're gonna go about over here. Are you ready, husband of awesomeness?
Yes, madam.
Okay, here we go. Alright. Oops. I'm just going to give that a second. And before it all starts to run off, I'm actually going to move it around a little. Just break the seal a bit. And move this around. And we're going to move some of this over here. Okay. Now we're going to tilt this out. That's pretty. I'm not entirely sure what's going to happen with this, so you're going to see it right along when I do. Down over that edge. I don't know if we're going to make it all the way to the tip, but maybe, yeah.
Just the tip.
Stop it. Okay. Well, that's pretty cool looking. Let's see if we can't put this along here so you guys can see it too. That's pretty, I like it. Okay, cool. I'm gonna torch this. It's really pretty. Okay. Yay, I'm ready. Interesting. I don't know if I like that.
What's not to like?
Well, torching it brought up all these teeny tiny little bubbles over there that I'm not sure that I love. That's okay. All right, we're gonna move this one over so that I can do these stars as well. Okay, all right, so these ones, pretty stinky. All right, so we're gonna do that same basic thing, but we're gonna use a small cup. This is a little 5-ounce Dixie cup. We're gonna do that same thing. Some Prussian, some pearl yellow. I'm probably not gonna fill this cup up because that's a very small surface. Blue green. Some Prussian on top. Okay. This is a lot of paint for this.
That's a lot of paint for a little star.
Okay, you ready, darling?
Twinkle, twinkle, my love.
Here we go. Some magic taps. We're just gonna move this around a little bit. Might end up dipping this, which is fine too. So yeah, let's dip it. Let's dip this one and see how it goes. I'm not crazy about that line on there. Let's see if we can tilt that out and change it a little bit, but it looks cool. Okay. Let's dip one of these little ones, because we don't need much paint for that. See, I'm just not crazy about the line that it leaves.
You're going to get away from that.
Well, by flip cupping on top of it, I would get away from that. Let's see.
Can you pull it straight up? Did it help?
No. but that's okay.
Or try it like this.
Great, we got one more. And go over here this time, you ready?
Yep.
I'm gonna go one more time in here. It's pretty. Not as colorful as the other two. Okay, I think we're gonna layer that cup one more time. I'm just gonna use the same one. Not put a lot of paint in there though this time. Prussian, some pearl yellow, turquoise, or sorry, green, blue green, and some more Prussian. Did I put gold in there? I did not. Okay. You ready, darling?
Yes, my love.
Here we go. Okay. Okay. That's pretty. I like that. Okay. So, that's pretty cool. Okay. So we have our moon. I'm actually going to clean this up on the table real quick and scrape it into this cup, and then I will bring these all back so you can see them. Now see, these are all dipped and that one's not. So now I feel like I need to dip this one too. All right, we're going to dip it. Ready?
Yep.
Okay. All right. Who's over? Up and bring these over. Okay. Hey, that's pretty cool looking. What do you think, HOA?
That's really cool. I like it.
So this piece, I think I definitely will want to resin after it's dry. I think this looks really, really pretty. And I'm excited about this one. I'm excited about how it's going to dry. Are you sure we don't need to do another cup on here? I'm just not crazy about how it like...
Yeah, it needs another cup.
You think so, really? Or you're just saying that to make me happy? Because you know I'll do it.
Come on now. No, if you're thinking about it that much, then it needs another cup.
Well, I think I like what's happening in here.
I like the tiny dots, the tiny cells. But
You
does
do?
it look broken? Does it look like
Yeah, to me it does. But
meringue that's broken?
Hang on a minute. Let me put on
A
my glasses.
broken patty shoe?
When in doubt, climb up on the ladder and look, right?
Yep.
No, I don't think it looks bad. But the only thing that I want to do, and I am going to do, I'm just going to go over this tip right here. Not funny. Okay. All right. we're gonna leave it like that. I've resisted the urge. Okay, so here's our stars and our moon. And I think they look really cool. So I'm excited about this. I will show you guys when they are dry. Hopefully they will be dry in time to put them at the end of this video. Thank you so much for hanging out with us tonight and being here. Hope you enjoyed this one. Please do check out 24hourcrafts.com, and got a whole bunch of really cool stuff. So we'll be right back. Okay, so this is actually the next day. The moon is not dry yet, but it's getting there. But this came out so pretty. Very, very happy with this. I love these colors together. That Prussian Blue is a favorite of mine, and so is the Iridescent Blue-Green. And I love the Pearl Yellow, and I love the gold. Just really pretty. The stars came out beautifully. Very, very happy with how these look. And so from 24 Hour Crafts, I bought the moon, and then I bought the stars separately, and they come in all different sizes and thicknesses, so you can choose and mix and match what you've got and what you're getting. But I think they came out beautiful. Really, really happy with this so far. And not completely dry, but dry enough. You can see around the edge where it's starting to dry. I hope that's in focus. So this was cool. I love these, and once they are totally dry, I'm going to let them cure for a week or so, and then I will resin them, and I will show you guys when they are resined in a future video. But super happy with this so far. So thank you so much for being here with us today. Really appreciate all of you. We'll see you real soon. Have a great day. Bye-bye.